look at that nice square in front. Come on, Rain. Yeah, I know there's grass there, isn't there? That's really not great. Whoa, good girl. Right, let's see if we can do a over. Okay, Rain. Actually, let's do lateral flexions. Bing. Ooh, that's easy now, isn't it, eh? Good girl. Bing. Ooh. Let's have a go this way. Bing. Good girl. Good girlie. Ooh, that nice. That nice. Okay, let's do an over. Rain, over. Rain, over. Somebody walking. Come on. Honestly. Whoa. Rain, over. Bing. Good girl. Good girlie. Ready? Rain. Good girl. And over. Over. Bing. Let's bing. Good girl. Whoa. Good. Let's do this way now. Whoa. I know the grass is there, isn't it? Bing. Whoa. Whoa. Right, okay. Sun's out, so I've parked the camera so as you can actually see me, but the problem is it's quite near the grass. Rain. Rain. Whoa. 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 Good girl. Ready. Over. Over. Bang. 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 Lovely. Very nice. Now, can we do it as nicely the other way? Come on then. Oh, lovely front square feet, Rain. Ready. Over. Over. Bang. Bang. Good girl. Super duper. Super duper. Right, should we go on a little walk? Come on then. Come on. Joe, did you pick up 2 targets? Oh, okay. Let's just go and get this target from up here then, Rain. Come on. Good girlie. Come on, Mum. Okay, so I taught her shoulders over from this side, which we got really well, and I was focusing on that one, getting that really strong. And then you'll probably have seen I tried from the other side without a target for the first time, and it was a bit sticky. So I'm just going to bring the target out and then we'll try it without target. Ready? Cross. Bang. Super. Good girl. Good girlie. So I'm going to try for 3 steps now, because we've done it this side quite a few times now. She's good, aren't you, eh? She's a good girl. Ready. Ready. Cross. Bang. Whoops. Good girlie. You get stuck then. Woohoo. Ready. Cross. Bang. Oh, got my long one out today. It's not as good as the short one. Can't win. Sometimes you need a long one, sometimes you need a short one. Good girl. That was a bit messy, wasn't it? That was a bit messy, wasn't it? Should we do that again? You ready? Cross. Bang. Bang. Perfect. Perfect. And I misinterpreted the training, thinking that they had to put the first leg behind the outside leg, or the inside leg, I don't know which we call it, but instead, so now she's bringing it forward, which is great. Good girl. So I am putting a bit of pressure on her shoulder. Let's come this way and then we'll try and show this way. Woohoo. So this is the way, I've only done it once before. Get my hands in order. Ready, cross. Rain, cross. Bang, bang. Good girl. Good girl. Ooh, that gets a belly scratch. Should we do a belly scratch for that one? Ooh, that's nice. So let's just get you straight. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Right, you ready to do that again, Rain? cross. Good girl. Bing, bing. Good girl. Clever. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Oh, is that nice? Oh, yeah. Where do you want it, Rain? Good. Let's leave that there for a minute. Now, just going to practice back because I'm not convinced that I've got back off a voice cue, to be perfectly honest. Ready, back, back, bang, bang, good girl. Good girlie. Should we do that again? Ready, back, back, bang. Good girl. Good girlie. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Yeah, I think we can still see us. Okay. Rain. Don't know what you can see over there. Good girl. So now I'm going to try and incorporate all those three by doing a circle. And I did it round the round pen yesterday. But I'm just going to do it not round the round pen because it's easier, I think, for you to see. The round pen's too far away. So I do have to apply a bit of pressure to her shoulder, and the right rein is more tricky than the left. So she's always been quite sticky on her right rein, but I think it's improving. Walk on. Good girl. So, head. Nice rein. Bang. Bang. Okay, so at the moment I'm looking at her feet and her neck or her head. So I think we had lateral flexion. I think she was moving this leg slightly over and the inside hind was going more towards the midline. I'm not quite sure whether this is engaging and whether that's actually bending, but we're just starting this. Only did this for the first time a couple of days ago, so quite happy to take what we can get. Good girl. Walk on. Oh, I'm gonna scratch. Good girl. Walk on. Good girl. So, lateral, cross, bang, bang, nice, good girl. Good girl. Really nice, and it's quite interesting to note that when we do some work with flexions, bending, particularly around the shoulder and stretching around the shoulder, she starts to come much more square in front, which is, Rain doesn't do square in front. She doesn't actually do standing still, but she's getting better in front. Right, let's try that one more time. Rain, walk on. Walk on. Come on. We're very snoozy today. Good girl. Cross. Nice. Bang. Perfect. Lovely. So I thought that was really nice. Soft. Good girl. Right, let's try it on the different rein now, shall we? Should we try it on the other rein? Don't know who you're watching. Watching the others. Good girl. Good girlie. Walk on. Walk on. Good girl. Past the grass. Tricky. So, walk on, cross, bang, cross, bang. Good girl. Whoa, whoa. That's actually not too bad. That's better than we've had it previously, so that's good. So what she tends to do is fling her neck over when you ask for right bend. So nothing happens apart from she's got a right angle at her shoulders, which obviously isn't what we want. Is it? Hey? Hey? Walk on. So, cross, bang, cross, bang, bang. Good girl. Whoa. Good girl. Good girl. She's a good girl, aren't you? Hey? Ooh, that nice. Ooh, that nice. Ooh, that nice. Good girl. Right, last one on this rein. Walk on. In fact, I'm not even asking her, and she's walking quite nicely. There. Soft, bit of bend. I think. Right, come on. Good girl. So, cross, bang, bang. Oh, 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 going towards the grass. And her mates are moving. How dare they? Yep. Let's do that another time. Come on, one last time. Tell you what, do you want to go for a walk? Come on. Oh dear. Oops. Walk on. Okay. So head, cross. Come on. Walk on. Head, cross, bang, bang. Yeah, good girl. Super train. Good girlie. Yeah, no, not for the grass. Come here. Good girl. Woohoo. Good girl. Let's just switch this off. Yeah, without going for the grass.